I will be showing you how to make a decorative candle. All you'll need is a candle, this that I got from Dollar Tree store, and this that is wheat. I bought this at Amazon. All you need to do is grab your candle and wrap this all around around your candle. Make sure you want to pull a little tight and snug. Then all I do is just go ahead and tie it and make a small knot. And then I pull here and make it look like a bow. And then I try to stretch this out. Then I insert these little wheat twigs into there, and I insert it. I don't put any hot glue or anything. I just try to put it inside there, so later I could just pull them out afterwards. And you do the same thing on the other side. These are really easy to maneuver and put inside, and they'll hold. And there we go. You just made your fall decorative candle. I had this left over, so I just pulled that inside and made sure. The total cost of this was $2. How neat is that? The next is Glam 2-tier serving tray. I used E6000. You're gonna use 2 candlestick holders from Dollar Tree. And I also bought these 2 Glammy Looks. It was $1.99. I found these at 99-cent store only store, and I just loved them. They had different varieties. They had the silver, they had bronze, they had gold and silver. You could basically get any of the ones you liked and do the same tray. But since I went into the fall decor, I decided to get gold. So come on guys, $1.99 for this, you guys can't beat that. So you grab 2 of those of the chargers. What I'm gonna do is add the E6000 glue and put it all around my candlestick holder. You want to make sure you put it all around it. And this will last about an hour to dry, or the next day, but since I had to do this tutorial kind of quick, I also added the hot glue on there to hold. So see, there's your first piece. So once that's dry and settled, I went ahead and I started to grab my charger and make sure where I wanted to put it in. So I go ahead and got the hot glue gun and put it on the top of the candlestick holder. I didn't want to put the E6000 glue just because I might want to use it for other type of things, and I know if I just put hot glue, then I could just remove it and do something else with the chargers. So I just did that. So I made sure I put it right down the center. And I also didn't add the E6000 or glue on that charger, just because I could also use it for other things, maybe different types of treats or desserts that I want to put on there. and that costs $6. Our next thing is my fall wreath. This I also got at 99-cent store only for about $3, I believe. And then this pick was also from the 99-cent store only, which was 50 cents. Just because there was two and I bought one. So I just went ahead and put that in there. And I inserted it really easy, and you have your fall wreath. How I styled my decor. I hope you enjoyed these 3 crafts. Hope you enjoyed my channel. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.